Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you how to repost on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Okay, how to repost on TikTok? Click on the TikTok, click on this plus mark and select any of the video which you want to repost. Click on the uploads. Suppose you have already uploaded this video and you want to re-upload this video, then again you will go through that procedure. Click or select any of the video, click on the next. Now click on next and you can select who can view this post. Your followers, friends, only you have to select by your own choice and click on the post. Your video will be posted. That video can be reposted. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.